Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Gains Network. In today's video, I would like to show you a very big down channel that Gains Network has recently broken out on this 7 days time frame chart. You can see it was moving inside this channel since after Feb 2023. We got stable ejections, and now you can see that recently previous candlestick is closed above the resistance, and the new candlestick is open above the resistance of this down channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this breakout, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Gains Network that I shared a few days ago with my members. And this move has produced almost 26% pump so far. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Gains Network that I shared on 23rd of October 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern, an expected Gardley pattern. You can see it was about to complete the final leg. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price and to drop more down, and once it will be entered inside this buying zone, then we can expect the next reversal as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gardley. And you can see that this move was formed with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down, entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice price reversal. And so far, it has rallied almost 26%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern. And by the way, I shared this idea on 22nd of June 2023 with my members. That was another expected move because it was about to enter the buying zone. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then dropped more down, completed the leg here. Then we had a very nice reversal. Then it again dropped down, and then we had a bigger pump that was almost 35% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Gains Network, and you can see that since after Feb 2023. It is moving inside this big down channel. In fact, it was moving because recently you can see it has broken out the resistance of this down channel. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $4.60, and now it is getting accumulated above the previous resistance of the channel and testing this level as a support. If we take a look at the previous history of this resistance of $4.60, then you can see that previously after this big drop, it worked as a nice support here and support here and here. It also worked as a resistance, and therefore again it is flipped into a very strong resistance, and the price end could not break it out and drop down at the previous support resistance of the channel. Therefore, in order to continue its rally to the upside, we still need to break out this long-term resistance of $4.60. And if the price and will move more down with the support, with the resistance of the channel, then here we have a quite long-term support that is at $3.72. That was previously working as a nice support here after this big drop in the month of June 2023. And here it also worked as a support. And here you can see after this breakdown, it was flipped into a strong resistance, and now it can again work as a nice support. However, I'm not expecting that we are about to test the support. I'm expecting that after this retest of the previous resistance of the channel as a support, it can start another reversal move from here to the upside to break the next resistance. And the final target for this breakout from this big down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is between $10 to $11. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.